Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is iBlessing. In today's video I want to show you how I created this is a random design downloaded on the internet. So this design was created with PicsArt, but I did some foundational work with PixelLab. So watch me as I get started creating it. So welcome to PixelLab. First thing I'm going to do is to work on the background. The size we are using for this design is size 1024 to 1280. 1024 and click on OK. So once this is done, let's work on the background. Now the color for the background is this. Alright, so just go to your plus icon. Let's just check it out. You can copy this color code and paste it. 0F131C. Great. So alright, so let me start with placing the images over the positions that I want them to be. Image 2. I was going to put in another. I'll just flip it. Alright. Bring it to front, and then let's blend these images to the background. Alright, so let me also bring the design we are modeling. Give it some relative sizing. Make sure it is perfectly on 100/100. Okay, so lock and then take it down to the back. So for this, alright, it is perfectly like this, and this is perfectly like this, and this is like this. Perfect. So let's blend all this to the background. Alright, so to blend these images to background, I'm supposed to work with stickers, but I understand quite well that not everyone has this version of PixelLab and have access to this sticker. So let me just work with what everyone has. So go to shapes. So on shapes, you click on the circle, then you give it the color, the same color with the background color, and then you go to stroke. Alright, give it some stroke and give the stroke the same color, then increase the radius. Okay, let's go and increase more. Alright, also increase the radius, then perfect. Then copy this as well. So this like this, then copy also. Like this. Now this one here will go at the back of this and the front of this. Alright, so it won't cover the head of this particular image, this one. So that's why I brought it to the back. Alright, so with that being done, we are so let me just do some final touch with the stickers. Alright, here. So they merge 3 together, and give it the same color. Alright, here is the same color. Let me also copy this as well, then bring both to the center, then merge as well. With this one, let's make sure this one is. Let's lock all of this, then the image here, just use them so that I just give you some smoothing, a proper smoothing. And copy this as well. Smoothing. Perfect. Alright, with this done, and ensure you watch this to the end. I'm going to be learning a lot, adding effects to your flyer design to make it come out more professional. Alright, let's reduce the opacity for all of these images. Save as image. Alright, so here is it. So the first thing I'm doing here is to bring the pastor image. Just click on add photo, then choose from your gallery. So click on add, this add there, click on it. I want to flip the image to face the right, alright, the right hand. So click on crop, then click on rotate, then click on horizontal. So once that's done, just move this sliders to fit what you want, then click on the check mark, then move this like this. Alright, so with this done, I'm going to blend this image, this first image, I'm going to blend it to the background using lightning. So I'll go to sticker, and then from here I'm going to search for blue light. Alright, so here is it. Just click on it like. Alright, so I'm going to blur this. I will head to effects, then go to blur, then click on blur, then click on the check mark. Alright, so let's make it even much bigger. Okay, perfect. So, and then I'm going to copy or duplicate this element by clicking on this layer option here. Click on the layer option, click on duplicate, then this is going to come here like this, and I'm going to duplicate again, then I'm going to move the rotate to around here. Just move it and reduce the sizing. Sizing like this. So it is bigger. I'm sure that the edge is not showing, the edge of the image is not showing, and also the poster's image at the center. Let me reduce this. Let me I'm going to erase the sharp edges, reduce the hardness, remove the sharp edges. Okay, alright, then give it a check mark, then bring back the elements downwards. This time you click it over. Then click on I'm going to click on the add photo, so to give it much more lightening, and click on the search. Keep scrolling. Don't forget to download. Now this resource, I'll leave it at the description of this video so that it can be accessible for all. Then I'm going to click on duplicate, then you copy. Then before you copy, you notice that this background, this image has some kind of sharp edge here. So to get rid of that, you make sure that the image is clicked on like it is, then click on the erase, then you reduce the hardness and you erase. Alright, erase, make sure that it's thoroughly erased. Once that is done, you click on the check mark, then you copy, you duplicate by clicking on the layer option and duplicate, then move. So once that is done, we are almost done with what we have to do. Then the next thing is to bring in the PI icons. Alright, so if you check the original design, you see it. You see these icons here, 1 2 3, these 3 icons here, this golden icon. So you still go to your add photo. Please make sure you don't click on this check mark, or when you are clicking on this, for when you are editing on any element, click on it only once. Don't click on it 2 times, so that it will not take you out of what you're doing. Click on add photo. So then click on, if I've chosen it, then click on add. Alright, so I was able to blur it like this, give it a motion blur using Photoroom. Alright, you can as well do that, although the link to download this resource will be at the description of this video. So to duplicate this, I'll click on this, click on the image, I'll click on this layer at the top and click on duplicate. Alright, so let me move. So rotate like this is what I'm clicking on. This rotates here. Click on it like this. See, this is too big. Then duplicate again. Move it around the spot. Okay, so once that is done, you are almost done. So the next thing I'm going to do is to bring in the right top. So click on add photo again. I already did this on PixelLab. Add. So then stretch it. Good. So with this, what I did here was I went to blend and then I clicked on overlay. Yeah. So once you have done overlay, click on duplicate again. So this time I'm not going to use any blending option. So I'm just going to remove the overlay. Take this blend to normal and then you go to opacity to reduce so that the overlay can at least show a bit. Alright, this is my own way of duplicating this design. So once this is done, now I forgot to give this pastor's image the blurry effect that it has. Alright, you can see the face, how blurry it is. Okay, so let me just do a rough work on that. I already blended already checked it, so I can't edit it any longer. Click on add photo. Click on crop, click on rotate and give it an horizontal flip, then check mark it. Alright, so let's go to where we have effects. Click on blur. Now this particular blur is the motion blur. So increase the distance, reduce the fading, check mark it. So just do a rough work. Normally this one now ought to be at the back. Alright, it ought to be at the back, and if you want to do it also at the other direction, so it will be at the left and the right, both at the back of it. But let's just do this rough work around it. Hardness to 0, size increase. Then restore some parts. And I'm going to use this. So check mark and then let's reduce the opacity a bit so it looks like it's at the back. I just clean some parts of this on top. Check mark again. Alright, so with this done, we are almost done. So let's confirm. So is that done? Then click on the check mark. Finally click on this check mark now. Then go to effects. then go click on FX. Alright, so we have different will I say effects or filters here. So where I'm going to is we have this one here at 1995. Alright, this 1995. Oh, good. So once that's done, click on the check mark again. Then I'm going to go to mask, where we have mask. Click on mask. Then from this mask, we're going to head to prism, where we have prism. Okay, prism. Okay, so we're going to make use of prism 1. So this prism 1 can do the opacity a bit. And then check mark it. Check mark. So once that is done, you go to mask again, then the prism again, then go to prism 10. Now for this particular one, you reduce the opacity very well. So once that is done, you now reduce it and click on the check mark. This was this particular one. You can decide to add it. You might not decide. You might not add it. You can decide to add it and even blend it. Alright, so just leave it as screen. Okay. Yes, so we've come to the end of this video, and please hold on. Yes, I'm currently hosting a 30 days design consistency challenge, and if you wish to join us, you can also click on the link at the description to secure your slot as well. So once you are done, just click on the check mark at the top and click on this download option. Alright, this finally brings us to the end of this video. I would love to see you in the next video. If this really helped you, do well to like the video and share to your friends. And if you've not subscribed up till now, do well to also subscribe. And I'd love to see you in the next video. Goodbye for now. Bye.